Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic, make a screen reader navigation easier with the nav landmark. The element is another HTML5 item with the embedded landmark feature for easy screen reader navigation. This tag is meant to wrap around the main navigation links in your page. If there are repeated site links at the bottom of the page, it isn't necessary to mark up those with nav tag as well. Using a footer covered in the next challenge is sufficient. So, nav element is meant to wrap around main navigational link in your page. If there are repeated site links at the bottom of page, it isn't necessary to use those with nav tags. So task Camper Cat included navigation links at the top of his training page, but wrapped them in div, change the div to nav tag to improve accessibility on his page. So this is the nav part. So for navigation, we will change it to nav tag so that it is more more uh, right means a screen reader are easily able to navigate using this. So the test cases, your code should have one nav tag. Your nav tag should wrap around UL and its list item. This is right. Your code should not have any div tag. No div tags, I think. We'll have to check for the lower portion, and I think not. Yeah, there are no divs. Your nav element should be have a closing tag. So closing tag, here it is. So run the tests, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.